Bear Swims by Angela Misko. Illustrated by Lorinda Bryan Colley. "What can we do?" said Bear. "We can swim," said Otter. Umbrella. See. "No, let's play in the sand," said Bear. "But it is fun to swim," said Otter. Sand. "No, let's play ball," said Bear. "We can play ball in the water," said Otter. Ball. "But I don't know how to swim," said Bear. "I can teach you," said Otter. "I am scared to swim," Bear said. "Put on your life vest," said Otter. "The water is nice." Life vest. "Yes, the water is nice," Bear said. "You can help me," Bear said. "Then I will swim." "You swim well in the sea," said Bear. Otter said, "You can swim too. Look at me." "Move your arms. Kick with your legs," said Otter. "Swimming is fun," said Bear. Arm. Leg. "Thank you for helping me," said Bear. "Now I can swim." "I am glad to help you," said Otter.